Happy Tuesday everyone! I'm here of Meowth Loves Coffee and we're back for another edition of Hashtag Winner Racket program. At ngayon po ay buwan ng Marso, we're also celebrating the National Women's Month. So binabati ko po ng isang mainit na Happy Women's Month ang lahat po ng mga kababaihan na sumusubaybay dito po sa ating Facebook page na Meowth Loves Coffee. Ganun na rin po sa ating Instagram page, pati na rin po sa YouTube. Okay, so may mga natanggap tayong feedback na medyo mahirap daw sundan yung mechanics ng Hashtag Winner Racket Program Women's Month Edition. So I'm here to explain it to you, break it down into 2 simple steps. Okay, una babasahin ko muna yung mechanics itself. How to join? So write a post or make a short video or reel to thank and appreciate your female badminton mentor. So kinlassify natin, no, nilawakan natin yung classification nitong female badminton mentor na tinutukoy natin. Well, she can be your teacher, your coach, assistant coach, team manager, coordinator, cue master, doubles partner, or teammate. And just tag her, okay, to show your appreciation or to express your appreciation. Yun po kasi yung gusto sana natin dito na ipamahagi po, no, yung value ng appreciation or value of appreciating the good people around us. So that's basically the essence of the first step. Then second is post it on your Facebook or Instagram, set it to public, and use these hashtags Badminton for Her and Meowth Loves Coffee. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I hope malinaw na ngayon kung ano yung mechanics. And of course, we're encouraging everyone to please follow Meowth Loves Coffee on Facebook, Instagram, pati na rin sa YouTube. So you keep yourselves updated kung ano yung mga ilalabas pa nating information and future programs dito sa ating page. And syempre, this is open to all Filipino with valid delivery address in the Philippines. Okay, so again, I'm reminding each and every one of you na sa program na ito, wala po kayong kailangan gastusin. You don't have to spend to join. And you don't even have to pay for the delivery fee in case you win. Okay? Because kami na po yung sasagot ng lahat ng ito. So, lahat po ng entries na matatanggap natin by March 14 or end of day ng March 14, 2025 ay makakasali sa edition na ito. At doon sa mga entries na yan, doon po kami mamimili ng mananalo. So, what's at stake? Okay, or what's at stake? So, first, ito po yung mapapalalunan ng tao na in-appreciate nyo. Okay, isang brand new Apex Virtus 88 racket. So, this is 5U. Slightly head heavy. At katulad po ng mga nauna nating raketa, may kasama itong string and overgrip. So, there you have it. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple lahat. And then, we're gonna announce the winner on March 16, 2025. Yun lamang po. At dun po sa mga nagtataka, mayroong ilang nagpadala sa akin ng message na tila po ang tagal ng huli kong live or badminton game. So, I haven't been playing for weeks now. So, I think mga 3 weeks na. Because I'm still recovering from an illness. Sa mga nagpadala po ng thoughts of, you know, positivity and wish na sana patuloy ang aking recovery. Maraming salamat. At dun po sa mga naririto, maraming salamat din na kahit hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-post as often as before, ay nandiyan pa rin po kayo, patuloy pa rin sumusuporta sa ating page, lalong-lalo na po sa ating Hashtag Winner Racket program. Again, this is Anne of Meowth Loves Coffee. Lagi nagsasabi sa inyo, stay active, stay healthy. Remember, health is another form of wealth. Bye!